From the moment you approach, the 2026 Hyundai Elantra makes its presence known. The signature parametric grille, a hallmark of Hyundai's design language, stretches wide across the front, seamlessly flowing into sharp LED headlamps. Light dances along the sculpted hood lines, giving the impression of motion even at a standstill. The redesigned front bumper is subtle yet confident, with integrated daytime running lights that frame the face in a modern, athletic stance. As you move toward the side, the Elantra's low, sleek profile comes into focus. The coupe-like roofline arcs smoothly toward the rear, while precise character lines run along the doors, guiding your eyes toward the back. At the rear, slim LED taillights extend across the trunk, connected by a black trim piece that visually whitens the car. A subtle lip spoiler and clean lower bumper complete the balanced, sporty look without overstatement. Opening the door reveals a cabin built around the driver. A crisp 8-inch, or available 10.25-inch, touchscreen sits at the heart of the dash, paired with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for instant connectivity. The controls are simple and intuitive, with soft-touch materials throughout. Higher trims introduce upscale touches, ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and a premium Bose audio system, turning every trip into a tailored experience. The seating offers excellent support, with available heating and ventilation ensuring comfort in every season. Under the hood, the Elantra's lineup balances efficiency and performance. The standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder produces 147 horsepower for dependable daily driving, while the available 1.6-liter turbo in the N-line delivers 201 horsepower for those who want more excitement. Hybrid options combine a responsive gasoline engine with electric assistance for impressive fuel economy without sacrificing driving enjoyment. On the road, the 2026 Elantra feels planted and composed. The suspension is tuned for a smooth, confident ride, comfortable in the city, stable on the highway, and nimble on winding roads. This is a car that doesn't chase trends, it evolves them. The 2026 Elantra carries forward Hyundai's proven formula, blending design, technology, and capability into one cohesive, confident package ready for the road ahead.